Want to tell them what styles you're wearing today?
What's wrong with my outfit?
Nothing.
I didn't want to get my toes stepped on. Morning. She's trying to trip me already. Welcome back. We have a busy day planned, and so here we are. You know, why not film a little bit in the midst of the craziness? Can you say good morning? All right. So on today's agenda, Joey's spraying some weeds right now. We're just spray the pasture later, so he's trying to get rid of, I don't know, whatever concoction he's got mixed up right now. I'm just letting the chickens out, and I'm gonna go feed calves, and then we need to work some cattle that are out on pasture today. It's gonna be tricky because they don't all ever come in at once. Like sometimes one group will come in at night, and then like the other ones are still out in the back pasture. So it's hard to get them all in, and plus in the back pasture it's like woods essentially. So it's tricky. So we're gonna figure out how to get everyone in if I don't fall and break my ankle first. But yeah, we're gonna work cattle today. We might cut hay today. Joey's gonna spray the pastures today. What else? There's more. I don't know. I can't think of it. So here we go. Rick's water broke, and so I gave him one of the chickens, and they figure like they know how to do it, but there's only 3 nipples. I need to go get another one because they act like I never water them. I have like a little pan. I did that yesterday to like let more of them drink at once, but I don't know, they just get very excited when they see water. Also, today's fit check is probably should just be illegal, but I don't really feel like getting stepped on by steers later, so that's what we're going with. Okay. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Hi. What you doing? Yeah. My cutie, I didn't forget about you. Morning, squirrel. How are you? Huh? How are you? Good morning, parrot. Good morning. Huh? Oh, yep. Get them all riled up. Girl got moved into a Cadillac calf pens. Sophia's gonna show her this year. I hope. So I had this. I wanted to make it easy to get in and out, you know, so that we can start halter braking her. So it actually works out nice too because I use taller panels. I use the what am I trying to say? Panels that like we have in the other calf barn, the calf pens, and so they're a little bit taller. So squirrel cannot escape if she wanted to, because these panels are pretty short. She can kind of just hop, skip, and a jump over them. But she's doing good in there. Should we go get some milk? Some milk? Good morning. Hi. Sassers, I didn't forget about you. Nope. Like your babies. Down to 3 calves again. She's got Jasmine, and then she's got the 2 Holstein Angus cross twins on her, and she's doing really good with them. Gangster I moved out a few days ago. he was close to weaning time, and I think the 4 calves was just a little too much on Sassy now that the twins were eating more. So it's worked out really well. I got him in. He wasn't an individual pen, but those pens just aren't going to work for taking him out with Sassy because they get out of them too easy. So he is exactly like Tiger was. He's in this pen now for a little bit until I wean him, and then I'll move him. Tiger's doing really good in his new pen, and the pigs just keep escaping out of everything. And I don't like when they're in with the calf because they eat all of his grain and dump water, and they're just pigs. So they kind of like lock themselves in that little square right there. And I haven't moved them because you guys are unruly and you don't listen. But they're happy because they dumped their water yesterday and they made themselves a little mud pit. So that'll be good today, I guess. It's going to be like 80. On Joey, but it's too bright. You can't see out the window. He's got the backpack sprayer on. He's spraying weeds along the fence line. Can you guys not? Does it look like a spot to you, or? Nice little group that are in the barn out on pasture. So I'm gonna try to get there's these guys up here, and I'll just lock them in. That way we have, I don't know, a group to start with. Gracie's not helping with this though. Come on. Yeah, I suppose I could just go get you guys a bucket of grain. Yep, that would motivate you. You guys can't resist a bucket of grain, can you? What are you 3 up to? No good? Are you up to no good? It's a good hiding spot. Oh. Boop. It's like, don't come near me, lady. I've been blaming the goats for my dead flowers. Rude! Ready for some fun! Gracie! You ready? We're gonna go see if we can wrangle up some steers and heifers off a pasture.
Fat cows.
We really should put a good grain. Lisa might be motivated. Nice butt! Is your music playing?
No, not at all. Why?
Yeah, we're ready. Can you just all go up to the barn, please? Thank you. Keeping steps in. All right, hey Grace. Unless you're gonna learn how to herd, we don't need your help. Come on, girls and boys and it's.
Want to tell them what styles you're wearing today?
What's wrong with my outfit?
Nothing.
I didn't want to get my toe stepped on. Chrissy, you having fun? Joey's getting the last view from this little kind of island almost. Here's Miss Irene. Still no baby, getting really close.
And yep. Swamp dog.
That wasn't so bad.
Lunchtime.
Alright, our bellies are full. I've got a monster. We're ready to work cattle. Joey is just getting the chute set up. We don't have like a permanent chute or anything, so we've got the head gate, and then he welded. I don't know what I'm trying to say. He welded like the bracket around it, or like whatever. He welded the rest of the chute together. So I can work out. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. Woohoo! Poor Joey doesn't like working cattle, do you?
Huh?
You don't like working cattle, do you?
No.
It stresses him out.
Yeah. Can't drink right now.
We'll get through it. If anyone's wondering where to throw money, where they can just like burn it maybe, instead of doing something cool with it, we suggest farming. It's fun.
It's not our blood.
It's not our blood. We had one that he didn't get dehorned last time because he was sick. So we waited for this time. Well, he's bigger and we couldn't stop his little bleeder, so I was going to cauterize it with my propane dehorner. Wouldn't you know it, I ran out of propane before it got hot enough to do anything. So then I just, took a bath in blood. Part vampire now. Fun stuff. So now we don't have any propane for the dehorner. And our vet clinic probably has it, but we don't really feel like driving a half hour just to get that. So we're just gonna sort off who doesn't need to be dehorned and who doesn't. Some of them need to be cut yet. And then we'll try again on Wednesday. We got the fats moved though. That was a big thing that I wanted to do. And Irene's penned up, so she can't calve. I don't have to go find her every day, twice a day.
Still good exercise.
Is that a fat joke?
No, it's a nice fresh air. It's good for your mental health.
Yeah.
I'm just too fat and lazy to do it, so I choose to drink. Casually.
Casually. Anyway, so we're gonna sort this group and then call it a day, which I guess is probably a good thing because we gotta get the kids in like an hour, so. Not as productive as a day as we wanted, but that's just the way things go. I still have a half hour, 45 minutes before I have to get the kids, so I am going to keep doing things. Some of you may be wondering like why we have older ones that have horns to begin with, and that's because life happened, and that's just the realities of like farming and then having full-time jobs too. When those ones were born and when we like got them here, I was still working full-time, so things just slipped through the cracks, unfortunately. I don't know what that was. So yeah, we're just kind of playing catch up on that now. But I am banding a couple calves. We do usually cut them, but we banded a group just to try it out. Personally, I like it because I don't have to cut them later on. I don't mind cutting them, but it's just more work, you know? So I'm just banding them, and it's pretty simple. I should have done one that was lying down because I could have showed you really easily. And I only have a big one left, but we'll maybe try to show you how I do this. I should mention, banding is basically putting like a rubber band around their nutsack to castrate them. So like over time, it loses circulation, and then the nuts will fall out. They will be steers, and they will not be able to breed anything. Isn't that right, Acorn? It wasn't so bad, was it? You can see I just did him. Oh, can we see your nuts? Can't even see. He's shy. Oh. Do it for the YouTube. All right, this is not going well. So the band, we're done with that, and I just put my thing in poop. So the band, yeah, it just goes up really high over both nuts, and then they'll just fall off. I'm gonna go rinse this off before I do my last one. All right, so I even turned it off cinematic so you could like see this because it doesn't want to focus, but I put this little rubber band, oh, there we go, over this, and then when I go like this, it widens. Easy that was to see, but he has a band now. You can see the green up top. When I first went over, one of the nuts sucked up, so I had to wait for it to drop back down. It's actually really easy to do in the summer because it's hot out, so their nuts are normally hanging lower. But okay, I've got this group done, which is 5 less than I'll have to do, than I'll have to cut later on. I do need to horn a couple of these yet, but my propane is gone. I'm gonna get some from the vet clinic tomorrow. I've got paste, but my shaver is dead. So if I could find an electric cord, I could use a different one. We'll see. Action!
Hi!
That was so natural.
Natural sarcasm, or?
Yes.
Almost made me overfill.
I'm good at that.
Going to battle with some thistles.
Thistles. What? Oh.
Anything that's not grass is gonna die.
In the nicest way possible.
No, it'll be very violent.
Well, I think that'll do it for today. Joey's gonna go spray. I am going to clean the nesting boxes a little bit. They've got like wire, but the poop just kind of gets stuck in there sometimes. So it's a pretty glamorous job, but if I don't do it, then the eggs are gonna get poopy, and I don't want poopy eggs. Why are you all in here? It's nice out. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and see you guys next time. Probably on Wednesday when we go back to battle on the calves.